Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my new 3D die cut sheets and the cards I have created with them. So let's get started. Here I have die cut sheets from Find It Trading that I'm going to share with you. And first we got the Winter Fun, and those die cut sheets have 3 embellishments, and of course you only have to push them out. And these have these very cute Christmas or winter snowmen. Actually, they're not necessarily Christmas, so I think you can make beautiful winter cards with them too. And this art is by Precious Marika, and Precious Marika I love because she has this contemporary style that I really find very attractive. So there are our snowman family and a snowman and snowed in houses, and then this cute little snowman with a birdie. Next I have Yvonne's creation, and she has these die cut sheets, Christmas Dreams. And Christmas Dreams has several different sheets, and you can check them and find them online. But we have the deer and the cute owls, and we have ornaments. Again, always 3 embellishments per sheet. And here's another snowman sheet from Christmas Dreams. A whole family in front of the gate, all snowed in, and with a little birdhouse. So these are super cute. And we also have a 6x6 matching paper pack for these die cut sheets. This is for the Christmas Dreams. And just to see a few, we have, let's see, there are 23 sheets in there. They're double-sided, so you can see how they come along. We have Christmas trees, and here smaller Christmas trees, and checkers in red and in blue, and we have wrapped presents in a smaller print and a little bigger print, candy cane stripes, and then this beautiful 6x6 frame with snowflakes. Okay, stripes and snowflakes. Yeah, very pretty papers. Quality is really good. It's not flimsy. We have chevron in green and blue and red. And then we got dots, colorful. And here on the back you have, so we have got the dots, and then you can also cut out labels and a few additional embellishments. So they go wonderful with the Christmas Dreams die cut packs. But I made cards with the Winter Fun. And here is my first card. There is a cute little snowman. And this snowman paper I also have in stock. It is, let me see, this is the I Love Winter by Echo Park. So I still have, see, here it is. Yeah, this is another die cut 6x6, it's another paper pack 6x6 that is double-sided. And I love the Echo Park ones. So here I have also added some buttons and some glitter borders. It doesn't take much. These come again together very quickly. All you have to do is layer them. So that's my first card. Here is my second card. And again, I used the I Love Winter by Lori Whitlock. And it has these winter swirls, and I added the Christmas village or the snowed-in village, just a little border. This is a border punch, and then of course lots and lots of stickles, some buttons. And the last one has the family, snowman family, and of course the mittens background paper is so cute. Let's see if I can find it here. Oh, here it is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got the mittens, and then there's another one that I really love here, and that's the one with the ice skates. So this is a beautiful paper pack. Okay, so here I just added some glitter paper on a blue card, and we have 3 beautiful snowman cards. So here I have 3 more die cut sheets for you. The first one is Lovely Christmas, and this is Janine's art. These Finder Trading die cut sheets are from Holland, and we have these very cute Christmas birds here, and there's another one, and here is a church, like an ornament, and the bird is sitting there. So you can just layer them up if you like birds. This is very cute. And then we have the warm feelings, and again this is Precious Marika that I personally like a lot, and I'll show you in a second here what I have created with this cute sheet. And then also we have Christmas Gold. This is their newest line that I just got in, and it has these winter animals. You can see this log cabin that is lit up in the Christmas tree in the snow, and of course the deer. And here another one with snowflakes in front of a wooden background, like a barn maybe. And then the deer head, the antlers, and some Christmas bells and snowflakes. And this one also has an accompanied paper pack, Christmas Gold. So these colors are more traditional Christmas colors. Again, you have 23 sheets. They're double-sided, so there is always 3 per sheet, so you have plenty for your cards, and you can even, was 2. I thought there were 3. Well, let's check. So we have some wooden background, barn door in green and in wood color, these cute Christmas trees in farmhouse decor. These are 3, okay, so, and then we have stripes in 2 different colors. We have birds, one a little more muted, and you can see you have these gold and green and brown colors. Here is a glittery gold. It looks like glitter, it is flat, and then also in green. And the deer in a little smaller print with a green background, bigger print with a burgundy background and snowflakes and stars. Here we have snowflakes on a beige background, and then bigger ones on a brownish background. And then, like the last one, you also have some elements you can cut out if you like, and on the back more beautiful stars that look very glittery. So this is a beautiful paper pack. I just love this one. And again, it's not cardstock, but it's not flimsy paper either, so this will make beautiful background papers. Now I made a card. This just came in, so I didn't have a chance to work with the Christmas gold. But I did make a card with this sheet. So let's look at my cards. Okay, so this is the sheet I used to make my card. And here it is with the Christmas stocking. I used background paper again from the I Love Winter pack that we seen earlier. And here is my star punch again. I added a Happy Christmas greeting, some border stickers, and then of course the embellishment, and again lots of stickers. I did use up a whole bottle of stickers this Christmas so far for all my cards, because I love my cards with a lot of bling on it. And then I have made this tag, the star embellishment here. I thought I would make a beautiful tag. I added some, let me see if this focus is in, there we go. I added some background paper, and you can see the star, and it has a rose and some blueberries and greenery. Yep, so here it is. And then I wish I could show you a card with this element. That is the third one on this sheet, only I have lost it. And I don't know if that ever happens to you, but when I craft, after a while my table gets very messy, and I lost it and I didn't find it. Normally I find my embellishments when they kind of get lost temporarily. This one, I don't know what happened. I even went through my bag where I just throw away just little teeny scripts and bits, because I do keep most of it. I couldn't find it, so I'm sorry. I only have those two, and this one is missing in action. And if I find it, I will make my third card, and you will definitely gonna see it. I'll post it on Facebook, so I apologize. Alrighty, there we go. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you liked my cards and tag that I have created. If so, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I like to get feedback from you about my cards. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and join us on Facebook at the European Papercrafts Friends on Facebook, where you can upload your own craft projects, but also of course see what other crafters have created, and all my cards and tags that I always upload on this Facebook group page. So I hope you had fun, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!